Assalamu alaikum everyone, a very warm welcome to my channel. As you can see, my vlog started in the kitchen because today is cooking vlog and you will see me cooking Italian today. Planning to cook Italian today because my husband wants to eat pizza and I have been decided to prepare lasagna because it's been so long I have eaten lasagna since I have been arrived to UK. So I am craving so much for lasagna, and today is the day I'm cooking Italian for both of us. So here are the ingredients I have gathered here. So we have 1 cup of flour, mozzarella cheese, mushrooms, tuna chunks. Here it is, corn, dry yeast, and black olives. Yeah, more vegetables are left to take out from the refrigerator. I will start my cutting later. These are the ingredients we are going to use in our dishes, so let's start without wasting our time. Okay, these are the ingredients we need for the pizza: mushrooms, corn, mozzarella cheese, tomato, and pepper. So I have separated these and I have to cut that onion. Yeah, I also add the onion. These are the essential ingredients I always add in the pizza, and green onions for the lasagna. So here I'm preparing the dough. 1 cup of flour, plain flour. Yeah, the plain flour. The making of dough for the pizza is very easy, and now it is on my fingertips. I always knead the dough as quickly as I can. Within 5 to 10 minutes, I knead the dough for the pizza. It's really easy. You will see how I prepare the dough for the pizza. So here I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar to trigger the yeast, and 1 sachet of yeast, instant dry yeast, 1 pinch of salt. That's it. These are the perfect and easiest ingredients to prepare the dough. And little bit of oil, 1 2 tablespoon oil you can add. Maybe I will add okay. Here is the dough prepared. See how it is so easy. This is so easy, and here I'm gonna set aside for rise, and you can see my tea is also preparing inside. Okay, I will set aside this. Cover the dough properly.